Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Razik Rohaizat. So today I'll be cleaning my kitchen's windows. As you can see there's a lot of dirt. It's very nasty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I don't actually remember when was the last time I cleaned it. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's go. So these are the items that I use for cleaning the windows. First of all is a brush, a floor detergent, a dipper and a bucket. So first thing first, I remove all the things here first because it's easier for me to clean this window by clearing this section first. And this is the result of me cleaning the windows. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and more videos will be coming up soon, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao.